Hey guys, welcome and thank you so much for clicking. Greetings from the village, right from Kenya, Africa. It's an afternoon here, so good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on what time you'll be watching this video. In case it's a very first time, welcome. Everything with Lorbito. So kindly, if you are new, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, watch my videos, comment, share them out so that our community will grow, okay? And do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up in order to enable our videos to be recommended with the YouTube, okay? So do that. So today I'm going to give you our compound tour. A compound tour. Is that English? I don't know, but I hope you are going to enjoy this video, so stay tuned and let's get onto the tune. So starting from this point, you can see we have a shade. I really don't know how we call this tree. I don't know, but the botanist in the house can help us to name these trees. It's a shade, and under it, is it under it or above it? I don't know. There is a very sweet fruit here, of which I also don't know the name. So let me show you how it looks. I don't have anyone behind the camera, so I'll be struggling alone. So this is the fruit. Hopefully you can see it. It looks like a papaya, but in real sense it's not a papaya, and it has a similar taste with passion. If at any point you've eaten passion fruit, the taste of this fruit, it's the same of that of passion fruit. So they are not yet ready. They are almost. When ripening, they change the color to yellow. So there are so many, but not even one is ripe. And on this side, we also have a rosemary plant. There are so many. And despite using rosemary as a spice in our meals, it's also effective with matters to do with memory loss. So you can opt to take this on a daily basis to improve what? Your memory. So this is a rosemary plant. And then we have what? Berries, the red berries, strawberries. These are strawberries. Let me show you. Oh, guys, struggles are real. Struggles are real. You see them? We have some berries. See? These ones are ripe, but let me have one. So sweet. See? A strawberry. And then we have this plant here. Very beautiful, guys. Another one here. All these are plants. They are flowers. Have a look at this. Have a look at these flowers, guys. Have a look at this. Very beautiful, guys. And it's in shades, in 3 shades. We have brown shade, gold shade, and a green. It is the same as that one. That. Then we have this plant here. You see? I guess this is a, how do we call it? A Christmas tree. If I'm not wrong, this is where they harvest some Christmas tree. This is a plant form. Have a look at the color, guys. I'm loving it. I told you nature is everything. And then we have a young one here. This is mrenda for Kenyans. Kenyans, you know. Kenyans in the house knows these vegetables. Mrenda, or rather the vine spinach. And then look at these, guys. Isn't it amazing? When English is, I think English is running away from my mouth. Look. What about this? What about this, guys? What about this? I'm loving it. And then we have some flowers. Beautiful flowers here, guys. You see the white shade, green shade. And then we also have a yellow one. I don't know whether it's... I'm not getting it. But I guess this could be yellow, but you see, this is a yellow one. Look, guys. So let me take you through the compound. And then we have a garden there. It's a backyard garden for kales, only kales. But I will take you there. How do we call this flower, guys? How do we call it? I told you I'm not good in naming plants, but botanists in the house, please do me some favor and help me out. See, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. And then we have some hibiscus tree. That's an hibiscus tree there. I don't know how I can reach it, but let me try to move closer. This is what I'm talking about, hibiscus tree. But I don't know it. It hasn't produced the flowers yet. But this is a white hibiscus, not the pink or red, the one we are so used to. This is a white hibiscus tree. So it produces the white flowers. So are you loving them? Are you loving the view, guys, and the tour? Kindly on the comment section, let me know. So, and then we move. So I'm trying to give you the view, okay? You can never miss a banana plant. A banana plant. There are so many fruits here, guys, that I don't even know their names. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. But I'm very sure you must have come across this fruit. Whew. Look, guys. And it's very ripe. Oh, my hand is getting tired. It's very... I'm trying to remember the name of this fruit. But jina imedisappear. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Hey guys, you see. And then we have some sugar canes here. Sugar canes. Guys, look at the formation of this fruit. This is where the start point is. You see, it starts like a flower and then matures to that and then gives a very delicious fruit. Wow. And on this section we also have some lime. Lime. Who doesn't love lime, or rather lemons? See? And this is an orange. I think it has been affected. It is affected already. We need to sprinkle some pesticide here. You see, they are mature. I guess they are mature, but not all of them. Yeah. Ooh. And then we have a small lemon here. This is growing still. Some are here. See there? That's a lemon. On the other side, we have a lemon too. And then we have a papaya behind me. You see that tall tree there? It's a papaya. Another one here. What else? We have some sugar canes right here at the fence. We have sugar canes. And then we have a mango tree. This is a young one. A tomato tree. This is the red one. You remember last time I showed you the yellow one? This is a red one. We have some bananas. You see? Bananas. A banana tree there. So let's move to the other side of the compound so that I can show you what it has. You see, there is a papaya here, there, and then we have some tomato fruits, but not yet ready. Some sugar canes. Sugar canes are so good to boost our sugar levels. So guys, let me move to the other part so that you can see the beauty on that section. Whoosh! Jesus, I was almost falling onto a ditch, guys. Are you people loving the view? And this is the racquat. The racquat. People from my native, we call this ebirangwet. Racquats. Ragwats, I don't know. So, and then the ground. Just have a good look, guys. Isn't it amazing? Look at how beautiful the place is. And then we have a rose flower. This is a yellow one. Your baby girl can look beautiful here. See? This is a yellow rose flower, guys. Then, you see, guys, it refused to stick on my head because my hair, Oh, I've just remembered the name of this. Hey, hey, this is what we call what, guys? Kukumanga in Kiswahili. Remind me in English down on the comment section, please. This is a kukumanga. Kukumanga in Swahili. Very effective. For those who don't know the work of this, kindly do some research. It's so effective. And then we have some vegetables. Some vegetables I don't even know the names. And then see these berries. Look at the beautiful berries here, guys. You see these ones, so sweet. And then we have this a lemon also. This is a black shade, night black shade vegetable. And what else do I need to show you? Today I'm giving you a full compound tour. Okay, look. Whew. Some sugar canes, some berries. See, some lime. This a lime. Some ragworts over here. And then we have what? We have, wow, I've just come across the pink what? Rose flower. Ah, no, this is not a rose flower. This is how do you call it? Remind me, please. The hibiscus, the red hibiscus, the red. This is the pink one, not even red. The pink hibiscus. You see? Don't I look beautiful? Don't your village girl look beautiful, guys? Hey, I can also define myself with nature. Am I not looking beautiful? Guys, how are they blending? Yellow and pink. Pink for all baby girls in the house. I love yellow so much. But I don't know why I don't have so many clothes with the yellow color. I'm gonna do for you one day a video of this hibiscus. I'm going to break it down for you. Guys, this is a very effective plant. Having it in your place, it's so good. This is a pink hibiscus tree with some pink flowers. Remember, we have the white, the pink, and the red. Okay? And then to this side, so let me flip the camera so that I can give you a very good view of it. That is a hibiscus, a pink hibiscus, and then we have some beautiful flowers all over. And then here also we have some rosemary. You see, there is a guava tree there. I'm a lover of guavas, but today I don't want to look for one. I'm not in the mood. The cravings, I think. And then we have, this is I told you, this is a backyard garden for kales. See, We have some kales. And then mito. For the love of miro. Kenyans in the house knows these vegetables. Most of my sisters and brothers from the lakeside and the western region knows that type of vegetables. You see, we have a rosemary there. I told you I was looking for this shade of flower. You see, it has yellow and is it luminous green? I think. So this is the view of the compound, guys, and I'm really hoping you are enjoying. What else do you need to see? Down on the comment section, let me know. Look at those flowers. Again, look at this one. Look at this one. Whew. Is it a palm tree? I really don't know. I don't know. I don't want to lie because I'm not so sure. If you know the name of these plants, kindly let me know. It's a plant, at the same time it's a flower. You see? I hope you're enjoying, guys. I really hope you are enjoying. Some banana there, some sugar canes over there behind me, and yeah, that is it. Oh, and then we have the wild berries. You see? They are ready, guys. Wait, so sweet. I told you, just eat organically. Hey! And to make it more beautiful, of course, we can't miss a rose flower. You know, baby girls, for the roses, okay? Hey! Have a look at this, guys. Pink rose flower. I know that ladies love being given flowers. And from Lorbito, here I give you nothing but, today I'm giving you roses. To my beautiful ladies in the house, I love you. And this is my big gift to you. I really hope that, guys, you've really enjoyed the view of the compound. And that is it, guys. Until next time, it's a bye-bye. And please let me know in the comment section, did you enjoy? Did you enjoy?